Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Jira Service Management portal in Atlassian Cloud. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To set up Jira Service Management portal in Atlassian Cloud, begin by logging into your Atlassian account. Once logged in, navigate to the Jira Service Management product from the dashboard. Click on the option to create a new project. Select Service Management as the project type. Choose a template that suits your organization's needs, such as IT service management or customer service. Give your project a name that reflects its purpose. You can also set a key for your project, which will be used in issue identifiers. Once you've filled in the necessary details, click on the Create button to proceed. You will now be directed to the project overview page. From here, locate the project settings in the lower left corner of the screen. Click on Customer Portal to start customizing your service portal. In the Customer Portal settings, adjust the name of the portal to make it more user-friendly. You can also upload a logo to reinforce your branding. Next, configure the portal settings such as request types and help center functionality. Choose the request types section and review the default request types provided. Add new request types by clicking the Add Request Type button if needed. For each request type, provide a clear description, select appropriate fields, and set the visibility options. Once you're satisfied with the configurations, save your changes. Now navigate to the Users section under Project Settings. Add your team members who will handle requests via the service portal. Specify their roles so they can manage requests effectively. Next, set up the automation rules under the Automation section to improve efficiency. Create rules that trigger notifications and assign tasks automatically. Make sure to test your automation settings to ensure they work as intended. After configuring everything, go to the Customer Permissions section. Decide who can raise requests in your portal. You can choose to allow anyone in your organization or just specific customers. Once permissions are set, go back to the project overview. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.